Hello guys, what's up? Oh, tataza kana kubika nemufaro mushure mekunge taisirwa message neYouTube yatipa notification muYouTube studio medu ichitaura iyo kuti tiri panumber 2 muZimbabwe music on YouTube. Oh guys, aiwa zvekutotishambisa chero nesu hatombozvi zviri kufamba sei guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. And also there is this notification futi iri kutaura kuti hanzi fans in Cape Town they are loving Rudo Rwako song. We are on number 79 in Cape Town again. In Zimbabwe we are on number 2. Can you imagine? In Cape Town number 79. Foreign country. Thank you guys for your love and support. Keep on streaming Rudo Rwako Rudo. Thank you for your love and support, guys. Keep on streaming now. We are sitting on 200k views without any endorsement from whoever you think. Just us and you guys, you are viewing our song. No bloggers, promotion or whatever. It's just you guys murikuita ma TikTok challenges. It's just you guys murukungo viewer na mwari vari kuita kuti zvinhu zvifambe. Thank you guys.